Greetings everyone, I'm Emre Ata. On this video I want to show you how to buy KuCoin token, KCS token. It's so easy. This is our website, exchangereferralcodes.com. On this website you can get information about all exchanges. Now, if you don't have KuCoin account with commission kickback code, discount code, you can open your account so easy. Firstly, you should click this KuCoin referral code. And second, if you want, you can take your code here, or you should click this banner. We clicked. This is registered page. Fill your form or code here and click sign up. It's so easy. Now, we are going to KuCoin main page. After creating account, you should complete your KYC, and after click buy crypto and fast buy, and with your Visa card, debit card, you can deposit money on your KuCoin account. Now, how to buy KuCoin token, KCS? Click market, click search and write KCS. Click KCS. On this page, in here, in this section, you can buy and you can sell KCS. Red color sellers, green color buyers. This is current price. It's so easy. If you want more information about KuCoin token, you should visit our website. Wish you a good day.